How to join Bigo Live family. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join different communities and group. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this me icon. Simply tap on this me icon. Now here, this is the place where you can customize and have different options. Here on the top, you'll be able to see this family icon. Simply tap on family. So here you'll be able to find different groups that are available. So if you slowly scroll down, here there are different groups that you can join in easily. Now you can directly search for it and later simply tap on this plus icon, and as you can see, the application has been under the process. So after doing that, you'll be able to join this community and group. So the leader must accept you and later you'll be in this family list. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.